Good morning and a warm welcome, dear students. In the last English lesson, we have done picture reading, and today we are going to learn how to write few sentences on a given picture. Children, what do you see in the above picture? You can see the children are playing over here. What are they playing with? Yes, all the children, they are playing with colors. Now, in order to answer my questions, you can make use of these words. In the picture, we can see many children playing with colors and also water balloons. They are throwing water balloons on each other, and they are having water guns. This girl is having water guns. Can you please tell me what is the occasion here? Yes, children, what is the occasion? Why are they playing with the colors and the water balloons and water guns? Yes, because it is a festival. Yes, very good. What festival is it? Who will tell me what festival is it? Yes, it is the festival of colors. And this festival of colors is known as Holi. So today we are going to learn in English 1.9 writing skills or picture composition. We are going to see what is a picture composition. So picture composition is a picture given to you. A picture composition is a picture given to you and you are going to describe a picture. You are going to talk about the picture. You are going to frame few meaningful sentences with the help of the picture. Subject English 1.9 Writing Skills, or it is also called as picture composition. What is a picture composition? I have already explained to you what is a picture composition. Picture composition means describing a picture with meaningful sentences. I repeat, describing a picture with meaningful sentences. Any picture will be given to you and you have to describe, you have to say something about the picture, but in a meaningful sentences. Whatever you are saying, whatever you are writing should be related to the picture. So we'll see here one example. Now here is a picture. Can you tell me what is the picture about? Yes, this picture is about a garden. The picture is about a garden. So related to this, a sentence is written. There is a big garden. This is a picture about the garden. Everywhere you can see the greeneries. So there is a big garden. Many children are playing in the garden. You can see many children there. They are playing in the garden. You can say many children playing in the garden. Some children are playing hide and seek. Now these are the children who are playing hide and seek. You know what is hide and seek, na? Okay, everybody is going to hide and one child will search for the other children. That is called as hide and seek. There are many trees in the garden. Now when you say a garden, yes, the garden consists of trees. So there are many trees in the garden. there are birds sitting on the tree. Now on the tree there are some birds sitting on the tree. You can see colorful birds sitting on the tree. Besides writing these sentences, children, you can write many more sentences related to the picture. But remember, the sentences should be related to the picture. When we are talking about the garden, when we are writing about the garden, you cannot say there, my mummy is cooking in the kitchen, there is an ice cream vendor with his cart. No, you cannot see these things in the picture. So when you are writing, it should be related to the picture. You can also name the children, the name. Now here there are children, so you can name them. Ram and Kavita are playing a game. Then you can also say Sita is sitting on a swing. You can write Sita is sitting on a swing. Rohan is painting a picture with the help of his mother. So there are so many other sentences you can write related only to the picture. Another example will be of the nest. You can see the nest on the tree. So you can write, there is a nest on the tree and there are two little cute baby birds in the nest. You can also write the name for this boy, Mohan. This girl you can say Shamla, Rima. So you have to write related to this picture.